Hello all, welcome to MAPOG, where mapping made simple. In a world where humans and wildlife share the same landscapes, understanding the proximity of settlements to forested areas is essential for ensuring safety and coexistence. Today, we embark on a journey using MAPOG to identify settlements at risk of wildlife encounters. This map, created using the buffer tool and proximity analysis of MAPOG, highlights settlements closely situated to forests, thereby indicating their susceptibility to wildlife encounters. Navigate to Map Analysis interface from MAPOG. Begin by adding all the necessary data. For this, click on Add Upload and select Add GIS data from the options. Choose the country you are interested in. From built-in GIS data, search for and add settlements points. Using the Table View option, you can preview the data table. Click on Add More Data and add Forest Polygon. Click on the pencil icon to edit the map's title. Enter a suitable name for the map in the untitled text field. If needed, a description can be also added. Click on Save Map. Then, by clicking on Action followed by the pencil icon, rename the layers. Now, we can trace out the regions that are prone to wildlife attack. To do this, click on Process Data, select the Buffer tool. Choose Forest Layer in the field. Enter the appropriate range for the buffer zone. Then click on Submit. Rename the buffer layer. Next, we can find out the settlements vulnerable to wildlife encounters. Click on Analyze Data. Select Two-Layer option. In the Find Features tab, select Settlements, then select that are within. Select the buffer layer in the next tab. Click on Get Results. Once the analysis is completed, the number of results is displayed. The result can be either downloaded as an Excel file or can be published into the current map. Rename the filtered out layer. For visual clarity, hide the settlements layer. For a better visual presentation, click on Style Data and select Basic Style. Select the layer to be styled. Choose suitable color gradient for the layer. Make all the adjustments needed. Save the changes by clicking on Save Style. In the same manner, style all the other layers with suitable color gradients or icons. Finally, we have generated a map delineating the settlements at high risk, situated close to forested areas where encounters with wildlife are more likely. Using the Share tool, share this informative map with your friends or the public. The identification of settlements near forests serves vital purposes such as assessing the risk of human-wildlife conflicts and facilitating sustainable land use planning, benefiting local communities, wildlife conservation authorities, government agencies, and planners through enhanced safety and informed decision-making processes. Visit our channel and explore more use cases and more products. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.